Clapperboard K-pop demon hunters. Enter the future metaverse powered by Agentic AI plus 6G. A demo showcases how Agentic AI plus 6G could transform cultural storytelling, using Netflix's K-pop demon hunters as the example. From Netflix hit to living universe, K-pop demon hunters wasn't just a film, it became a global sensation. But imagine if the story didn't stop with the credits. Imagine if it became a world you could live in. K-pop demon hunters exemplifies the shift from one-off media to persistent cultural ecosystems. This demo explores how Agentic AI and 6G can transform cultural IP into an adaptive metaverse. Millions streamed it, millions danced it, millions shared it. But what if Huntr X wasn't just on screen? What if they became part of your life? K-pop demon hunters' viral success shows the demand for participatory media. Agentic AI and 6G can extend IP into persistent universes where fans evolve stories in real time. Concerts that adapt to you. Step into a concert where your cheers, your heartbeat, your vibe changes the whole show. Every performance is unique because it reacts to you. Agentic AI enables dynamic performance adaptation, while 6G's low-latency networks synchronize millions of interactions globally. The result is personalized, scalable live entertainment. Fight demons with music. Now the battles aren't just on screen, you join the fight. Strike demons in rhythm, power your idols with music, and win together. Interactive combat integrates adaptive AI engines with music synchronization, leveraging 6G for real-time fan participation. This transforms passive viewing into cooperative gameplay experiences. Fans become content creators. Design a jacket, upload a dance, remix a song, and watch your creation appear live on stage, credited to you. AI-driven content pipelines allow fan-generated inputs to be absorbed instantly into live experiences. With blockchain royalties, creators earn micropayments for their contributions. A world that never sleeps. Beyond concerts and battles is a living city. Karaoke clubs, neon markets, training halls, all alive with idols and fans, day and night. Persistent environments use Agentic AI for continuous evolution and 6G for distributed intelligence at the edge. This enables metaverse cities that function as always-on cultural platforms. Every ticket, a global pass. Buy a ticket in Seoul, and your friend in New York joins instantly. Idols thank you by name, live. Real and digital are one. 6G-powered identity fusion allows seamless integration of physical access tokens with digital metaverse entry. Personalized AI agents enable idols to interact individually at scale. Enter the future metaverse. K-pop demon hunters, powered by Agentic AI and 6G. The future of fandom is here. Would you join the Huntr X metaverse? This demo illustrates how cultural IP evolves into a trillion-dollar engine through Agentic AI and 6G convergence. The question is, who will lead the next cultural economy?